Alright, now have you ever done this before, staying in slow flight but cleaning up your flaps?
No.
No? Alright, let's do that. Hold 60 knots and hold level, and let's clean up the flaps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me think about this for a second.
Yeah, so what's going to happen when we lose all that drag?
We're gonna also lose our lift.
Yep.
We're gonna accelerate.
Yep. And so you're going to have to pull out a little bit of power with each stage of those flaps, because we are going to accelerate, so then if you keep holding 60, we're going to start climbing as well.
Right, which makes sense because 1700 is how we get into it.
Yep.
Okay.
Traffic now, Blue 350 off Romeo, 7 miles, the airport.
Alright, feel that change. There you go. Go ahead and take out another stage.
Just to stall it momentarily.
Yep, if you need to bump it up to like 65, just for that stalling, that's fine.
Now we're at the bottom of the green.
Miles to the for 55 entry pattern.
There we go.
Should we take this straight into a power on stall?
Yeah, sure, let's go ahead.
Stall?
All right, we're set up for it.